Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to Cerbiz cooking channel, yo. Except it's not really a cooking channel; it's more of a preparation channel, all right? Because I already have this shit cooked already, all right? I don't give a fuck. So if you don't know what this is, it's pernil, or I don't really know. My mom just calls it pernil. I don't know if there's like some sort of like suffix or prefix to it, but I call it pernil, and it's fucking popping. I don't look at my long ass nails. Shit. Yeah, I couldn't find a nail clipper, so fuck it. You're gonna have to deal with it. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to turn this into this, but that's future shit. All right, that's me from the future. So yeah, when we're making tacos, cause I'm fucking Mexican, and that's how we do shit around here. All right, so you gotta heat this shit up, heat up the comal, as it were. Oh hell yeah. I'll keep it like at max just till it gets hot, and then I'll turn it back down. In the meantime, what you would usually do is you pull out your cutting board and roll out your what the fuck is this shit? Roll out your cilantro. I don't know. I'm gonna say it with an American accent because we're in America. We're not in fucking Mexico. Now the hard thing is doing this one-handedly. So this is actually a lot of fucking cilantro actually for just one person. So I'm gonna reduce this a little bit. Make sure you wash it. I already washed it. Yeah, I took out all the fucking. This part's not too good, but I don't care. It doesn't fucking matter. I'm not even using it anyway. So yeah, get a good bunch and then chop it up. Alright, so I didn't do too good of a job, but I don't know. It seemed alright to me. We'll see. I could just easily chop some more, but you know, fuck it. I don't care. Alright, turn this shit down. I have a really old school fucking stove right here. This house has been around since like the fucking 40s or some shit like that. I don't fucking know, but it's fucking dope. I like it. Oh fuck. Alright, so I'm making myself 5 of them. That one's fucking smoking. Oh shit. Also, I forgot to mention that I don't have any other fucking vegetables. I don't even have any salsa. Yeah, I'm just gonna be using cilantro. Usually you would put like salsa verde or like onions and shit on it, but I don't have any of that. You know, you're not a true Mexican unless you fucking burn myself there. Fuck. Unless you flip them with your hands. That shit fucking hurt. Fuck. Well, I suppose in the meantime I could just cut this lemon. See if I can do it. These knives aren't too good. We have better knives, but they're not fucking clean right now, and I don't feel like washing them. So, oh, there we go. It's perfect. Fuck. That's my LSD fucking shit. Get fuck out of here, bitch. Alright, so I think these shits are fucking OD burnt. I think that was just the steam coming off of them, cause like the fridge like defrosts occasionally, and like sometimes it's like moist. I think that was just steam. It wasn't actually like burning or anything, because now they're not even fucking cooking that good. Alright, so these are just about done. I'm turn this shit off. You can always just heat up more later. And now it's on to the actual preparation. It's a problem with these foam shits that they like start to bend upward when you put hot shit on it. Alright, so similar fucking deal with how you always prepare your shit. You gotta dip your shit, because there's like that nice liquid at the bottom. It's pretty good. You gotta just soak that in. You just gotta whoop. Fuck off, nigga. Fuck. Alright, so this is gordito. You don't want none of that. Make sure you wash your hands too. You don't want no fucking dirty ass keyboard fingers touching your food, right? That shit fucking disgusting. Alright, so after you have I put a lot, but I don't give a fuck. Get your cilantro, put some on top. I might actually have to chop up the rest of that. That's a bit too much. I didn't chop it too good. Cause there's still whole leaves in it, but fuck it. So you would put like onions on it. Maybe like a whole garlic clove if you want, and then you would squeeze some lemon on it. It's pretty nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the rest of them so you can check out how it looks. Voila, boys, check it out. It's a good 5 taco meal. I didn't squeeze a lemon in it though, so I'll do that right now. I put mad lemon in my shit because I actually like how it tastes. I like fucking sour shit. Shit's fucking popping. Not like sour milk. That shit's fucking disgusting. I'm talking about like candies type shit and like fruit. So there you go. That's how you prepare your tacos. For some reason, if you don't know how to, that's how you do it. So thanks for watching. Hope this was an informative video, and stay tuned for my other tutorials.